Hi there! Many of you have asked me this, so today's video is a quick guide on how to download my ink brushes on Gumroad and how to use the workbooks included. The same applies to the watercolor collection, okay? In the video description you will find a link to my shop, and when you tap on it you will see this. Let's scroll down and tap on the ink collection. Tap on the arrow to see what's included in this collection, which is 60 brushes and 7 workbooks. In the workbooks, I will not only show you how each brush works, but also I will give you many tips and tricks to speed up your drawing process. I will walk you through the basic ink techniques, how to hold the Apple Pencil to better control pressure and make confident strokes, how to paint with layers and layer masks. Basically, I will teach you all you need to know to create digital ink illustrations on your iPad. Here you can choose if you want to purchase the entire collection or just one and its corresponding workbook. Add it to cart, then tap on Checkout, introduce your email, choose your payment method and tap on Pay. And that's it. Now let's see and download the content. The first files you see are the brushes, then the Procreate versions of the workbooks, which only can be opened in Procreate, okay? And the PDF versions of the workbooks that you can download or read online. I've uploaded them in order. You should start reading this one, then this one, and so on, okay? Below each item, there is a download button. I will only download the first brush set because I already have everything, but you have to tap on all the download buttons to get the entire collection downloaded. To import the brushes and workbooks into Procreate, just go to your Downloads folder or tap here and then on the item. The workbooks will appear in your gallery, and the brushes in your brush library. Here they are. Okay, how do we use the workbooks? Each layer is a page of the workbook. As you see, there are also groups of layers for you to be able to practice. To read the next page, we have two options. We can simply turn off the visibility of the page we just read, or we can tap and hold on the visibility button of the page we want to read. This also works with groups. I think the easiest way is to turn off the visibility of the layer we just read. To practice, make sure you are on the Draw Here layer, because you won't be able to paint anything otherwise. The pages of the workbook are locked to keep them clean so you can redo the exercises as many times as you need. That's why I don't recommend that you unlock them, okay? So, Draw Here layer, choose the brush specified on the page, in this case the fine liner, and follow the instructions. If you want to redo the practice, tap on the layer and then on Clear. Once you've completed this practice, turn off the visibility of the group. Go to the next Draw Here layer and keep practicing. Don't forget to change the brush, okay? There are more complex practices that are divided into several pages. This one, for example. In this case, select the Draw Here layer, follow the instructions given on the first page of the group, and then read the second one, turning off the visibility of the first one, and so on. Once you finish, turn off the visibility of the group and go to the next page. There are also exercises in which you will need to create more layers. In this case, for example, you will need a layer for the sketch and a different layer for the fur, and a layer mask. Well, what you can do is to rename the Draw Here layer and tap on the plus sign to create more layers inside the practice group. When you create layer masks, make sure they are visible or you will think they don't work properly, okay? Let's take a look at the PDF version. You can use it to quickly check how a brush works or to follow the instructions on a bigger canvas. Go to the LB Fun Papers set and apply a nice paper texture to your blank canvas. Then go to Gumroad or your download folder and open one of the workbooks. Let's look for the giant panda practice. Here it is. And let's work on a split view. Zoom in and don't forget to create a new layer for your sketch on top of the paper layer. If you want to know more about why don't we paint on the paper layer, you will find a lot of info in the Fun Brushes workbook. Okay, just choose the brush specified in the workbook. Make the sketch. Go to the next page. Don't forget to change the brush. As in this case, the canvas is bigger, the size of the brush will need to be bigger too, so let's increase it. Much better, right? And well, hope you enjoy this collection. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!